in New York for some apartments because I actually am very strongly considering going over there for just like a little while. What do you mean your virginity story? What, you remember what? That's completely different. That's not even on the same level of you're losing it. You lost it. I thought you hate New York City. No, I hate Toronto. That's what I said. Chill, bro. Chill.
We're in Placerville, California.
I'm not gonna move there, but I do kind of want to. I kind of need to just. I gotta go because I saw this other thing. Actually, I gotta bring up that I didn't really want to bring up, but somebody did message me about it. And I thought it was stupid, but I actually kind of want to read it off now because it mentions like my love for being outside downtown during dates and shit like that. But I'll get to that after this. Chill.
Of 39-year-old Asher Edwards.
I'm probably gonna go to
Hello, Judge.
maybe.
Good afternoon, sir.
Edwards' demeanor may seem pleasant, but just a few days earlier, his alleged behavior was anything but.
Damn, Eddie.
He was charged with making terrorist threats, assault with a deadly weapon, and obstructing peace officers after a domestic disturbance escalated into a 2-day police standoff.
Damn.
Mr. Edwards, this is the time and place set for your arraignment. Do you consent to have an arraignment by video conference?
Sir, is this an Maritime Admiralty Law courtroom that we're processing me through?
No, it's not.
Edwards considers himself a sovereign citizen who lives as a free man, as they like to say, under common law as established by the founding fathers.
Oh, God.
Maritime Admiralty Law that he's referencing is the law of the sea and international commerce, a body of law that sovereign citizens believe to be the foundation of the country's modern legal system,
these niggas,
which
man.
they reject.
This is not a Maritime Admiralty Law courtroom. I believe so.
No.
Absolutely, it is. All courtrooms in this country are Maritime Admiralty Law courtrooms that process people.
Why do you wait until you get here?
No, sir.
You know this nigga mad, judge mad as hell. You like, oh God, we got another one, man.
That's
I'm gonna have to debate an inmate, dog.
false information. Well, either way, this courtroom is trying to process me as state property. You see this fictitious name statement?
Oh,
Asher Edwards, spelled in all capital
brother.
letters. This is not my name.
Here we go.
Edwards is referring to another sovereign belief that beginning at birth, one is issued a government identity, meaning one's name is spelled in all capital letters, such as on a birth certificate or social security card, and that doesn't represent one's true or free self.
Open your third
This
eye.
name was issued to me without my consent, and you cannot legally process me through this courtroom with this.
Oh, he desperate. He on his last legs. If this is the case. Chat, just know whatever it was, I did it. If this is my excuse. I start using the sovereign citizen tactic. Just know I'm cooked.
Without this name in all capital letters that was issued without my consent. My name is spelled Asher Edwards, first capital, all lowercase. Edwards, first capital, all lowercase.
Look at this nigga face, bro.
And this is the birth name given to me by my parents, protected by the Constitution of the United States.
Even as Edwards grows louder and more animated, the judge appears to take it all in stride and even allows the defendant to finish his rant.
Therefore, it is illegal for you to process me through this courtroom.
What he gonna say when he still gotta go? Xfinity, appreciate you with the sub.
But this judge is all business, so figuring out something else to do with Edwards is not in his plans.
Court will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Will show time is not waived. We'll set this matter for pre-preliminary hearing within the statutory period.
And I would like to see the gun. It said I had a gun. I've never had a gun.
I would like to see.
As Edwards continues his rant about the alleged gun, the judge reaches for his own weapon of choice, the mute button.
They're lying.
Do not speak while I am speaking, sir.
Edwards continues to plead his case, but to no avail.
Court will set bail in the amount of $72,500.
That's not bad at all.
Next matter.
Asher Edwards would later be found guilty of all the charges and sentenced to 1 year in prison.
That's not bad at all.
Next, we go to a bond hearing in Broward County. Judge
Oh yeah, he's finished.
John Hurley presiding. The defendant is David Hall,
I'm about to guess the charges. Hate crimes, harassment, public nudity. Let me think of one other thing. Statutory. That's all I got.
A sovereign citizen who basically believes that certain laws don't apply to him.
Mr. Hall has declined the services of the public defender, Your Honor.
Hall is here for driving under the influence and driving with a suspended license.
Damn. Never judge a book by its cover, chat. Fuck.
Mr. Hall, DUI, expired driver's license.
Good morning, Judge.
As soon as the judge attempts to read the charges, Hall begins interrupting.
Sir, I haven't said for the court how I'm appearing today,
Well,
sir.
I'm not asking you yet. Just give me a moment, all right?
He said, "This how I'm coming."
I need to look at your record.
Turns out Hall is currently out on bond for 2
Shawn, that's racial profiling. That's why I'm not a cop.
previous charges.
That didn't mean that I'm gonna arrest him based off anything. I'm just you ever just walk past and just like, let me just guess your charges. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm just saying, like, that's why I wouldn't be a cop.
Of driving with a suspended
I didn't say I was gonna arrest him, though.
license.
Guess his age, 32.
But that's not going to stop him from trying to make his case.
Sir, today I'm appearing as the agent and settler for David Hall.
Okay. Okay. Could you get Mr. Hall for me then, sir? Where is he?
I go by that name, sir. My name sounds exactly like the defendant's, and I'm here.
Nah,
to
that's
present
crazy.
today.
No, it's over.
So are you and David Hall one and the same person?
I'm not a
Look at the way the nigga behind him is looking. Like, is this nigga serious? If he get away with this, I'm doing it next.
person, I'm an individual. David Hall is a person. I am a private individual.
Hall's legalese is unconventional,
That is
to say the
hilarious.
least. But the judge allows him to continue.
May I say something else for the record, sir?
Go ahead, sir.
I appear here today as the settler agent, not the person, but the individual. And I don't think I should. You understand the
So you're
difference
the
between a
settler
person and
and
an
the
individual.
agent, and you're the individual, but you're not the person. Is that correct?
Correct.
Got it.
Correct.
I'm going to write that down.
Judge
Damn.
Hurley is unfazed by Hall's attempt at a Jedi mind trick and begins to turn the tables.
Oh
Here's
no.
what we're going to do.
Don't make him look stupid.
The settler, the agent, the individual, and maybe even the person, David Hall, has been charged with DUI. So today,
Damn.
the settler, the agent, the individual's bond, and even the person's bond today, $10,000 because the settler, the agent, the individual, and the
Damn.
person continues to drive without a driver's license.
Hall's new bond is $10,000, but because this charge is a violation of his original bond, all versions of David Hall must remain in jail unless he can come up with the cash.
Both cases will cause the settler, the agent, the individual, and even the person, David Hall, not to be able to be released from the Broward County Jail until further notice of the court.
Damn.
May I post bond, sir?
Now it's Judge Hurley's turn to have some fun.
Well,
Is there any?
Who am I speaking to right now?
are you asking me as the settler, the agent, the individual, or are you asking me as the person?
Sir, I'm asking, as the individual appearing before you today, the
Wait, who are you
opportunity.
speaking on behalf of right now?
Sir,
Nah, this is
I
fucked
don't
up.
understand that question. I believe that you're trying to confuse me now. I'm not the person, sir.
Okay, when
I am
you
not
see the
the
person,
person.
David Hall, tell him he's not leaving jail either, all right? Have a
Damn.
nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That was petty as hell.
Let's roll.
That was unnecessary as
Next, we're
fuck.
at the Cheshire
I would have humored him.
County Courthouse in Keene, New Hampshire. Court is currently in recess, but there is trouble brewing in the gallery.
Your choice is take the hat off or step outside.
The judge asked this man, Bo Davis, to remove his hat or leave. Otherwise, he could be charged with contempt of court.
Chill, bro. He receding. Nobody likes to think about the insecurities that young men face. Like, he only 18 years old.
But Davis refuses.
So I have force threatened upon me if I were to wear a hat.
Davis and some others seated around
See, look at him. If he take his shit off, he gonna be looking like him. This is the reality that you're making young men face too early.
him are associated with a New Hampshire-based anti-government movement. They're here to support a fellow member who's the defendant in a, quote, right to travel case that's in recess. These so-called sovereign citizens claim to be pushing back against what they consider overreach in the criminal justice system. And they're not afraid to get vocal about it.
So they're unemployed, basically.
I think you misunderstood. It's the judge's authority when he comes back. If at that point he says he's in contempt, then you have the authority.
There's not an issue. Your choice is taking the hat off. I'm trying to be as nice as I can. I can't. You're making threats.
After more back and forth with Davis and relentless commentary from others in the gallery,
What's the matter with you guys, huh?
the bailiff is finally done discussing the matter.
Stand up, please. Sir, treat others as you would wish.
This old ass nigga the bailiff?
Please, I'm being nice. Well, I'm not going to assist in my own arrest. I don't want you should
Nigga said I'm not going to assist in my own arrest. So you just gonna go limp?
take your hands off that man. At least stand up.
A second bailiff comes to help escort Davis out, but again he refuses to stand.
I'm not going to assist in my own arrest.
I'm not
Nigga, I will pick your ass up.
I'm to assist him. Please do not hurt him.
Instead of dragging Davis out of the courtroom, the bailiffs use a wheelchair.
Just leave you there alone now.
As Davis is wheeled out, the group continues to
Look at this nigga, man. You have nothing else to do?
insult the bailiffs.
If considered like a real job, one where you don't use violence against people.
Despite their protests, the court has authority to make rules about conduct in the courtroom. So a short time later, the judge returned to the courtroom
Shawn, what's your type? Tall woman with a big ass. My fault.
and sentenced
My
Bo
fault.
Davis
I was fucked up,
5
my
days
fault.
in jail for contempt of court.
You know, you were going to take my picture. I got a haircut.
Oh my god.
I'm glad you can make jokes.
Meet the man in the fur cap, 21-year-old Robert Peterson. He's the person filming this footage as he enters the Kootenai County Courthouse in Idaho.
That has to go through the x-ray machine if you want to come in this building.
Peterson is a hearing for a minor traffic infraction, riding his bicycle at night without a light. But from the moment he steps inside the door, it's clear this won't be a typical security check.
And I'd just like to know where your warrant is.
Nigga think he eat the Dory. Sir, first of all, I've had that opinion way before that anime even came out. Stop. They copied me. Fuck.
I don't need
It's clearly posted on the entrance building.
What, clearly posted that I have to forfeit my right to be free from unreasonable search and seizure?
Coming into this building.
Yeah, every person is. I'm not a person.
Oh
I'm a
god.
man.
Hey man, if those were my charges too though, I would say the same shit because I really shouldn't even be here.
Typically a free man, Peterson considers himself a sovereign citizen.
I
I'm
claim
not subject
sovereignty
to your
too.
jurisdiction, and the court has already confirmed that. I'm here for one purpose. All right,
You can submit or you can leave.
that's fine. I mean, I'll do that, but you will be charged a bill.
Charged a bill? Rather than escalating the situation, one of the bailiffs decides to play along.
You will be served a bill. I don't have any weapons. I didn't come here to raise a ruckus.
After clearing security, Peterson finds a seat at the rear of the courtroom and continues filming.
Excuse me?
There are no cameras in the courtroom.
Yeah, there is.
No. Yeah.
I'd be like, yeah, there is. It's right here. What are you talking about?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Under what authority?
You have to have a court order from a judge before you can have a camera in the courtroom.
Okay, well, I'm gonna
Well,
capture
actually,
this on video.
You got to turn it off.
It's for both of our protection.
Well, you have to turn it off.
No, thank you.
Enter bailiff number 2.
Shut the camera off now.
No, thank you. I do not consent to you touching me or seizing my property, so you need to
Shut the
back up.
camera off now.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
I'd run out of stuff to say after they kept trying to touch me and start laughing. Because I get ticklish. I'm sorry.
I'm holding you accountable because you're about to overstep your bounds.
The bailiffs then decide to clear the courtroom and question Peterson directly.
What's your first and last name?
I don't have a last name.
You don't have a last name?
No.
What's your first name?
I don't have a first name either. I've got a name. My name is Robert. You
You can't even take him
can call me
serious.
Robert.
As you can see, this bailiff keeps his sense of humor about the situation.
What are you? Are you human?
I'm a man.
You're human?
I'm a man, yeah.
Can I see your Idaho state license?
No. I I don't have one.
You don't have one?
My person does, but I don't.
Oh, that's
With the
funny as hell.
situation seemingly
Sorry.
diffused,
Come on in, folks.
the bailiffs usher everyone back into the courtroom. Well, except for one person.
She got that 1970s build.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Excuse me. You're blocking my freedom of movement. All right? Well, P. Barnes, you just admitted to me that you're violating my rights.
No, I'm not. You can't come in with the camera.
Well, you're violating my rights. And this is also freedom of the press.
From behind you.
This is also freedom of the press. I mean, I don't know what the hell law book you're reading, man.
Now he's
It
pressed.
doesn't apply to me. Why are you worried about cameras? Because you want to do something wrong? Because you want to do something wrong? Because if it's against the rules, that means it's because somebody intends on wronging somebody else.
I just can't. Like, I gotta imagine how bored I'd have to be to even try this.
Because they're afraid of being held accountable. P. Barnes.
It's a nice speech, but you're still not coming in.
Damn.
Well, please step aside. I'm going in.
No, you're not going in.
Don't touch me.
You're not going in, sir.
Let the record show that you
Nigga said, "Don't touch me" as I walk into you.
just battered me.
Step back.
And
Nah, if he get tased in first person.
you're using.
Step back.
After Peterson refuses
Nah.
to step back, Chief Bailiff
That's
Pete
funny
Barnes
as hell.
fires his taser.
It's funny as fuck. How you get tased in first person? Oh my god, nigga died.
Anything wrong?
That's funny as fuck.
You know what? You guys are really overstepping your bounds right now.
Nah, that's funny as hell. Oh my god.
What are you arresting me for?
The answer to that question? Peterson's charged
Oh,
with 3
man.
counts of battery and 1 count of contempt of court.
That's funny as
He would
hell.
later enter an Alford plea, meaning he didn't admit to committing a crime, but acknowledged there was likely enough evidence to convict him. Jail time was waived as part of the plea deal, and he was ordered to pay a fine for his original charge of
Yeah, he's
riding
just
a
being
bike at
annoying.
night without a light.
Keisha Johnson.
Oh no.
Out of Louisville, Kentucky, and the Jefferson County District Court. An arraignment hearing is underway for 18-year-old Keisha Johnson, who's charged with possession of marijuana, drug paraphernalia,
Tampering
and
with
tampering
evidence.
with physical evidence.
Come on up here, ma'am.
I would like to stand here.
When called upon, Johnson decides to address the judge, Shawn from the
18.
back of the court.
No, you stand at this podium.
Fuck you talking about?
Come on, you have to come up here. We can't record your back. You guys operate under?
The laws of the state of Kentucky.
Yes. As in like amity law, statutory.
Come up here and stand at this podium. I have to get you on the record so that we can see you with your argument.
Okay, well, for on the record, I reserve my right to cross this bench.
Johnson's refusing to cooperate because she's part of a sovereign citizens movement, which rejects institutions and believe they aren't bound by the country's laws.
Damn.
Mr. Johnson, I really don't want to create some big scene.
Well,
Hang on a second. I do not want to lock you up, but I may very well have to. I need for you to come up here and stand at this podium.
Can I just sit there?
No, you cannot. No, you cannot. You have to come up here and stand at this podium.
As the bizarre scene plays out, there's another disruption in the back of the courtroom when a bailiff tells 36-year-old Jenna Vondran to stop filming on her cell phone.
Show me the law. Show me the law.
In Kentucky,
Oh,
judges are given
God.
broad discretion on allowing filming in their courtrooms.
This is my property. Show me the law.
All right.
Show me the law.
Chris,
Show me the law.
Chris,
Show me the law.
go ahead and lock her up. Go ahead and take her into custody.
Watch as the judge looks down and presses his panic button to summon additional deputies to the courtroom.
What are you doing? There's no right. You have no right.
You sit over there, nothing
You
about it.
have no right. No right for that.
Yeah, I'm not finished with her yet. All right.
After a quick reset, the original defendant,
Finally.
Keisha Johnson, finally comes forward to the podium.
You're charged with possession of marijuana, tampering with physical evidence, and possession of drug paraphernalia.
I don't understand any of that.
All right.
Oh my god.
Well, you're charged with illegally possessing marijuana. You are.
While the judge's attention is back with Johnson, deputies in the hallway are still trying to get control of Vondran, the woman with the cell phone.
I don't understand any of those charges.
Well, there's not a whole lot more. There's not a whole lot more I can do to try to explain to you.
When trying to play clueless doesn't work, Johnson goes back on the offensive.
Let's start here. Can you guys prove jurisdiction? Prove
Oh nah, she cross-examinating the fucking judge.
jurisdiction, because I come in under common law. Prove your jurisdiction, that you have jurisdiction over me.
Is he not the judge?
Prove jurisdiction.
I'm sorry?
According to
This is a crazy sale. Cause I'm like, wait, how do I disprove this nigga?
not proceed until you guys prove jurisdiction. Show me
I'm in my own world of delusion at this point.
your jurisdiction. Show me your law.
All right. There are, all of our laws are codified in the Kentucky Revised Statute.
Show me jurisdiction. Show me the law.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay, that doesn't prove that you have jurisdiction.
He's saying you gotta read it, dumbass.
Okay, so what else? Now, there's a simple way for me to prove jurisdiction to you. I'm going to ask the deputy to go ahead and take you into custody.
Under what charges?
Under
what charges?
You are disrupting.
Oh my God, no!
We're going to pass her case to tomorrow.
You guys have been mistreated. It's wrong. It's common law.
At the podium.
United States Constitution. And if they keep going on to let us.
Keisha Johnson's arrested and charged with contempt of court.
18 is fucking crazy.
Fast forward to the next day, and she's about to face a new judge.
Keisha Johnson, 56.
This time, Johnson's represented by an attorney.
I don't know how familiar you are with this, but this
I'm
case.
familiar. Podium flipper.
Okay.
I've heard a little bit about it from
Okay.
yesterday. All right, so this is Miss Johnson. We'll note that she's in custody today. She's brought over and present.
And she'd like to make a statement to the court.
Oh no.
I had time to think about it, and I believe, and I've learned that I need to represent myself in a respectable manner while in front of the judge.
Okay, so obviously that behavior will not be tolerated. That's why you ended up where you are.
Keisha Johnson's found guilty of contempt of court and is released from jail after serving 1 day. On her original charges,
Okay.
2 were dropped, but she's found guilty of possession of marijuana, fined $185.
Okay, that's not horrible. That's you can recover from that a little bit and then potentially get the other little shit expunged.
As for Jenna Vondran, who was arrested after filming in the courtroom,
It's not the worst case for trying to, you know what I'm saying, disprove the judge's authority while you in the courtroom.
All right. Go ahead and lock her up.
she's found guilty of disorderly conduct and serves 1 day in jail.
Thanks for being a fan.
It's not even bad. That could have been way worse. It's just a cool little skirmish under my belt. I could tell people I argue with the judge or some chill shit. Not bad. She looks so washed for an 18-year-old. Chill.